All I know is it's an honor for me to be here to meet the great George Barris, an icon in the automotive restoration, and this is quite a tribute to George here. You see behind us here, they're going to do the king of the customizers and do an alcove of his great life work, and what can I say? I'm in awe.
Well, I'm surprised. Thank you again for being a part of it. This is what makes it. We got the whole United States together, sticking together. It's great to be in America and have the opportunity to get a tribute like they have here. They gave me a street in Northern California, but here, and to be in Pittsburgh, to have a tribute like that is really an honor for me and everybody that's associated. It's such a great thrill. And it's going to be something that I come back to in 2008. It's going to even be bigger and better, and we're looking forward to it.
I can't wait.
We're going to get you out to California.
I got to get out to California. Maybe we'll get George in the movie Vintage.
Yeah.
It's going to be shot entirely on location here.
Oh, that's great.
It's a great facility. Going to get the greatest cars we can get, all these here, and it's going to be awesome. So
the next time we do that, we'll come in and we'll drive in with the Batmobile.
Yes.
And we'll get the sound going, da 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 da, Batman. So we'll look forward to that one.
George, terrific, really.